Okay, Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Mr. Lee's bike is done and ready to go. So we upgraded from the Rockford Fosgate Stage 3 to the NVS Audio Stage 3. We pulled out the Rockford amp. We ran 2 runs of 8 gauge power and ground, Stinger oxygen-free copper, 2 Sound Digital 800.4 Evo X's. We got Mmats PA601 coaxials in the pods. We upgraded the Rockford 6-mines to the Hertz Neo 690 6-mines in the lids, and then we did the 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the back. This time around we went with Bema 8-inch mid-bass drivers, bridged off the second 800.4. The first 800.4 is running 2 6-mines and 2 6.5s in stereo. We flashed the radio to flatten out the factory EQ curve. We ran with a Rockford DSR1 DSP, upgraded the battery to a Stinger AGM battery, and we activated CarPlay and Android Auto in his GTS radio without the need of a WIM module. This thing sounds great. Check this out.